f of x equals 2x squared minus 3x plus 1. F of x minus 2 plus 5 happens to be g of x. Find g of x. So in order for me to find g of x, what I have to do is I have to take f of x, which is this guy right here, and replace every x with x minus 2. So f of x minus 2 means I write out f of x, but replace every x with x minus 2. So 2 times x minus 2 squared minus 3 times x minus 2 plus 1. And then at the very end here, we still have plus 5. So g of x is f of x minus 2 plus 5. This is a perfect square trinomial, so u become x squared minus 4x plus 4. U can be distributed, so negative 3x plus 6. You guys can combine to make 6. U can be distributed, so that can be 2x squared minus 8x plus 8. Minus 3x drops down. These guys can combine to make 12. And then u are alone, 2x squared. Negative 8x and negative 3x make negative 11x. And 8 plus 12 makes 20. So that's what g of x is. Isn't that nice? Sure is. It sure is nice. Answered it for you.